I'm here to paint patio furniture and chew gum. And I'm all out of gum. This is the Hot Drop Homestead. I'm Cody, and today I'm going to decorate my sitting spot from a patio. Let's get into it. Welcome, humans of Earth, to the Hot Drop Homestead. Today I will show you the wonders of my favorite place on the homestead, my sitting spot. Not to be confused with my sitting spot, those are very different. But in order to bask in the glory of that colloquially named oasis, I first have to beautify the space with a little friend I call spray paint. So the plan is spray paint these naughty Jonathans here, make them nice and pretty so that they're not peeling and flaking. And then we'll get the whole walkout deck situated so that I can have my morning coffee, stare at my birds, and watch my property so I can make more wonderful videos for all you folks. Let's get into it! There is a skill set for spray painting patio furniture that only comes with trial and error. This is the third time that I have painted these, and I've finally gotten it to stick, not be blotchy, and not just rub off all the time. Prepare to be amazed by the glory that is matte ink blue. The biggest takeaway is don't spray paint lighter colors over light colors. This matte ink blue, I was a little hesitant about it, but my wife really liked it, and I love it now. But in the previous years, we had used lighter colors, and it was so difficult to paint over the old layers, and it took twice as many cans, and that's just a waste. So here, dark colors matter, making sure to give it some texture. We sanded it down a little bit the year before, and that seemed to help a lot. And then, moving forward, it's just about rubbing off that old paint. If you're touching it up every year, rub off that old paint with a cloth. Make sure that you're blowing away any of the flakes, and it'll stick just fine in the future. Now that I have my creepy Alice statue, you can see all of my bird feeders that I watch birds with every morning because I'm 90. I'm going to shift them down so that I can put patio furniture where I'm standing, clean up the floor, and hang some plants. We'll be ready for spring, we'll be ready for morning coffee, we'll be ready for staring at everything the light touches. Mortal words cannot express how much stress relief this space has given to me and my wife during lockdown last year. I'll admit, at first I was reluctant to create another space for seating at my house, but I have seen the error of my ways. We face south looking out, which means we get cascading sunrises over the treetops to our east and purple-skied sunsets every single day. It's like Narnia up in here. I hope that every single one of you has a space like this at your home where you can just chill, unwind, and enjoy a beverage of your choosing. Unless you don't like beverages, in which case you're likely an alien life form and the government is looking for you. Please don't stay in one place for too long, keep to the shadows, and leave our planet right now. If you know what's good for you, you'll leave right now. Okay, this isn't going very well, so I've called my wife in, but she's not going to be on the video, so magic! Here it is, y'all. The sitting spot in all its glory. We'll be adding more plants as spring and summer progress. We'll also have some new lighting going up at some point this summer. And the candles. Don't even get me started on the candles. Feel free to join our Discord and show us your sitting spots. But until then, there is only one thing left to say. This has been the Hot Drop Homestead. Love you. Say it back.